Hi, Keith with Keith's Life Hacks for Seniors. I'm back again with another video, and this afternoon we're going to cover bicycle trainers. It's the easiest way to ride in the wintertime when the weather's bad. You can ride indoors on a trainer and be warm and can sweat to your heart's content. So I'm going to show you my trainer and how it works and the program that I use called Zwift. It's a Wahoo trainer, W-A-H-O-O trainer. It's called a KickrCore, K-I-C-K-R, and it's a pretty cool device. And it gives you lots of exercise, lots of programs, a lot of races that you can do around the country as well. They're almost going on 24 hours a day because Zwift is international. It's all around the globe. So let's dive in and let me give you a bird's eye view of what my trainer looks like and how I use it. Here's my trainer setup. It's in my sunroom and it works really well because it stays nice and warm in here. As you can see, the bike is on a little stand in the front for the front wheel. I pumped the tire up so that it stays stable. And you can see the trainer in the back on the two legs that are horizontal on the floor. I've got my water bottle and I have a music stand that holds my computer. This is the trainer itself. I'll go around and let you see it from the other side as well. But it's called a KickrCore, as you can see. A KickrCore, C-O-R-E. This is my time trial bike that I use when I was racing time trials, but I'm not doing it anymore, so it makes it perfect to set up and use for when I'm riding on Zwift. I've got a music stand that I use in front of me. A lot of guys will put a pad underneath this because you sweat a lot, and that's not a bad idea. I'm just getting this set up in the sunroom today. I've had it in the basement for quite a while, but I thought it was time to bring it up, and I think it was an out of sight, out of mind kind of deal because I wasn't riding it as much as I needed to. So here's where the magic happens. This is the actual device that the rear axle attaches to, where the chain goes around the gears, and it's set up so that you can just hop on and basically pedal because it doesn't need anything but an electrical plug so that it can read what you're doing. And then, as you can see from here, I can see my computer when I'm riding, and I can see the race that I would be doing or just the circuit that I'd be riding to just stay in shape. It's a great way to ride and be with other people because it's animated and it's beautiful. I will put a short video in this video so you can see how it works. But this is a beautiful setup. Put your elbows in the pads there and grab a hold of the front handlebars and you can ride away. Enjoy yourself to your heart's content. So this is kind of how I want to start riding my bike here in the next few days. And I will give you an update. As I had told you at the beginning of my year, I wanted to lose some weight and it's not working. So I thought I'd get my bike out, start riding it on the trainer, and then as soon as I can get outdoors, I'll do that too. But for right now, this will do nicely, and I'm looking forward to keeping you updated on how I use it and how it provides me with lots of information about what my training statistics are. I thought I would hop on it for a minute or two so you can see what it looks like to be pedaling on it. I've got my bicycle shoes on because I use clipless pedals. The cleats click into the pedals. As you can see, it's really quiet, which is probably one of the nicest facets of it. It's quiet, it's easy to ride, you can change the gears. You can put your hands in 3 different positions on the handlebars, here on the bars, out on the extensions, or in the pads. And then you just pedal away. You can change gears, make it harder, make it easier. My friend Brian and my other friend Dave talked me into doing this, and I'm glad they did. I think I'll get a lot of good exercise out of it. And besides, it'll be fun to do the different programs that are on Zwift. So this is me trying to get skinny. Well, I hope that helped you get a little bit of an idea of how these trainers work and the programs you can use with them. They're a lot of fun to ride, and now that I've got mine upstairs, I'm dedicating myself. I'm going to lose weight on my trainer. You can mark this day down. What is today? I really enjoyed making these videos for those of you that are following me, and I hope you're getting some good information out of them. Life Hacks for Seniors with Keith. That's who I am. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.